Good morning, everyone! Today we'll delve into the essential yet often overlooked aspect of skiing: braking in your skis. Properly braking in your skis ensures a comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable skiing experience. New skis typically come with a protective layer known as a factory wax, which can hinder their performance and make them feel stiff or resistant. By braking in your skis, you remove this wax and allow the base of the skis to interact with the snow naturally. There are a few methods to brake in your skis, each with its own advantages and considerations. Manual grinding. With a smooth stone or file, gently rub the length of the ski base. This removes the factory wax and creates a consistent surface. Hot waxing. Apply a hot wax or blend of waxes to the ski base. Then, use a hot iron to melt the wax, evenly covering the base. Allow the wax to cool and harden before scraping it off. Professional grinding and waxing. Visit a ski shop and have their professionals grind and wax your skis. They have the expertise and equipment to ensure a thorough and even application of wax. Start on gentle slopes to avoid putting excessive pressure on the skis. Gradually increase your speed and terrain as the skis become more flexible and responsive. Avoid using aggressive turns or stopping techniques that can damage the ski edges. Re-wax your skis regularly, especially after extended use or exposure to varying snow conditions. Braking in your skis is a crucial step in ensuring a smooth, comfortable, and enjoyable skiing experience. By following these methods and tips, you'll be gliding effortlessly down the slopes in no time.